here, okay? So 4 turn you front, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slow definitely front, 5, plie 6. Definitely again with FRC, 7, and 8, change the arm. Back turn you, 4 times, 1, 2, 3, plie 4. First definitely no change direction. Second definitely change direction and change arm. Okay, right now we do encore. 1, 2, 3, 4. Definitely to the side PK. Definitely to the side PK. And then from here you pass it right away. You plie, give you 2 counts hold. Nice turn, landing, and up. Finish down. Face, plie. Definitely plie. Definitely change arm. Back. Good. Definitely plie. Change direction, change arm. Encore. Definitely PK. Definitely PK. Pass it right away. Hold stay, waiting for 5. Turn. Landing. Don't move. Arm. And face.